This video covers the basics of how the artificial horizon works in TrueMap software and on all Flight Cheetah displays.
As you can see, the attitude indicator is quite small. When you put in the aircraft, it just has an arrow that you have facing forward, and the left and right arrows, of course, would be parallel to your wings. And on the other side, just have a simple USB port. This gives you your power as well as the data.
To activate your attitude indicator, just press the nav key and go down to System and Devices. In here, you just highlight the e-gyro and then reboot the computer. You only do this the first time you plug the attitude indicator in. After that, it's automatically always on. You have several different options as to how you can display the attitude indicator on the screen. Just press the nav key. You'll see over here you have e-gyro with a right arrow. So we would just hit the right arrow on the display, and you've got the option here where you can turn it on. And you can see we have it in the corner here. Below that, you have the option to recalibrate it. So if you start it up on the ground and it's not quite straight and level, just hit recalibrate, and it's about a 20-second process. Below that is auto pop up, and what that means is if your plane exceeds certain parameters in pitch and roll more than you should in a typical IFR flight, it will automatically pop up on the corner of the screen even if you haven't selected it. It's just sort of a backup to let you know, hey, do I really want to be doing a 35-degree bank right now in IFR weather? And so obviously if your primary attitude indicator fails, usually it fails very slowly until you can get into an unusual attitude before you realize it. This will prevent that from happening because it'll give you an early detection, sort of a reality check. You can see in this case that we're on an approach. This happens to be into Santa Fe. What you can do, if you want to see the 3D view, is turn this on, and of course it'll reflect your pitch and roll as you fly through the highway in the sky for your landing. If you have the synthetic vision, the attitude indicator will automatically input its pitch and roll information on the screen. In this case, you can see we're on an approach into Centennial Airport in Colorado.